Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PicMonkey for fast logo and banner creation, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the PicMonkey website using your preferred web browser. On the homepage, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Next, create a strong password for your account. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You might receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email and follow the instructions to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the PicMonkey homepage. Now, log in using your email and password. After logging in, explore the different features available. Locate the options for logo and banner creation. Choose a template that suits your brand identity. Customize the text, colors, and images within the template. Use the editing tools to modify elements as needed. Preview your logo or banner to see how it looks. When satisfied with your design, look for the Download button. Select the format you prefer for your logo or banner. Finalize your purchase in case a payment is required for high-resolution files. Click Download to save your design to your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.